In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for personal productivity. If you're looking for a way to streamline your daily tasks and manage your projects effectively, then you're in the right place. Let's take a detailed journey into setting up your very own productivity system with Airtable. We begin by creating a new base in Airtable, which will serve as the central hub for your productivity endeavors. Our first step is to set up a fresh base named the Personal Productivity System. This base will act as the foundation from which you'll build out your entire organizational strategy. To create this base, head over to your Airtable dashboard and select the option to add a new base. Name it Personal Productivity System, and voila, you've taken the first step to a more organized life. Next, we need to develop the core components of this system. We'll do this by creating two essential tables, a tasks table and a projects table. These will help you keep track of your daily tasks and broader projects, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Start with the tasks table, where you'll list all your individual tasks. Think of this as your digital to-do list. In your Airtable base, click to add a new table, name it Tasks, and start customizing it. You'll want to create columns for task name, due date, priority,